Hello viewers, good afternoon. Today we are going to create a new SOLIDWORK design. So let's get started. So at first take a new page from where, click part and OK. Go to the front plane, uh, right plane, take vertical, sketch, take 3-point arc, draw a 3-point arc, take again 3-point arc, okay. At first I am going to making some setting for good qualities of image and pixel setup, so I always prefer to make my image quality high. Okay, there is smart dimension and take the radius of this arc is 100. Click OK, zoom out, click OK. Then go to the surface, click revolution, surface, extruded surface, select the panel and click the midpoint and click here the 15 mm. Okay, see here we can see I think the depth is become very much higher, so we just reset the length of this arc is 200 mm, then click OK. Now go to the top panel, click vertical, OK, take a sketch, take a circle from here. At first take a center line from this portion to this portion, drag a line, click select OK. Just take a circle, create a circle from here, another one is from this line here. Okay, take the line from this portion to create a vertical line from up to the next circle bodies with vertical row. Take the similar one, take again a line and draw a line from this portion to this portion. Okay, now take the smart dimension and assign the dimension of the both circle. First of all, the bigger circle, I took the diameter of this circle is 50 mm, 45 mm, and the smaller one I took the diameter, I keep the diameter the same. Okay, then select the trim entity and reduce the inner sectional line. Portion is portion, similarly this one and this one, click OK. Now take the fillet or curve, this angle, this point and keep radius 10 mm. but you can modify it according to your requirement. Click OK. Now the fillet is complete. Click OK. And now go to the surface, click extrude surface, and it is extruded. I extrude assignment, keep the length 100 mm, and I increase the length 115 mm. Click OK. Click OK in here. Okay. Now go to the trim surface, click the main surface of the body and make the removable part this one, and click OK. Now again do the similar thing, click trim surface, click the assignable surface, click OK. Now our main body is ready. Now the main point of this thing in the front side, so at first go to the sketch, 3D sketch, take line and draw a line from this point this point. Okay. Now surface, click the bounded surface, click this line and select the another edge, click OK. Again sketch, go the 3D sketch, point this point, take the line, click this point and this point, click OK. Go to the surface, bounded surface, click the line, again bounded surface, this line, click OK. Similarly go sketch, 3D sketch, take a line, draw a line this point to this point here, and go to surface, boundary surface, click this line and this portion, click OK. And the same thing, click the boundary surface and to this point, click OK. After that, click the fillet. Before fillet, we need to make sure that we are doing keen surface. Select the whole this thing and click keen surface. Okay. After that, select the, the fillet, select the edges and keep diameter according to your requirement. I can take 10 mm. The body surface is ready. Go to the materials, apparatus, select the metal, so this is our today's final project. So thank you guys to watching this video, and if you are the new one of the channel, so please subscribe the channel and don't forget to like and share this video and please the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a good day.